Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Now that we've got that out the way, I'm trying something new that I've seen on other gardening YouTube videos. I've been trying to get back into my composting, but my compost have not been breaking down the way that I wanted it to break down. And watching all these other YouTubers do this, I kind of understand why my compost haven't been breaking down. So I'm trying this new thing with this different trash can, with a new trash can, the trash can compost. So basically what these YouTubers did, and I'll tag the two YouTubers that the videos that I saw, and I'm doing this so that just in case you guys don't follow those YouTubers, you could get the information from me. So basically, I'm gonna put some holes at the bottom of the tub so that beneficial creatures could get in there and start breaking down the compost. And then I'm gonna put holes along the side of the trash can so that the air can go through the compost and start to break it down that way also. So this one right here is my experimental one. I actually bought two trash cans. I have compost bins, 1, 2, 3 of them around the garden, and I want to kind of make space. So I'm gonna try to condense everything down into one compost bin and have it break down that way so that I could have compost for the raised beds. These I'm gonna compost in place, so I'm gonna clean out one of the raised beds. I'm gonna clean out one of the raised beds and just place this right there so I don't have to worry about pulling it here, pulling it there, pulling it there. That's the reason why I bought two. I want one for one side and one for the other side so I don't have to worry about dragging them along. That's in case things break down the way that I expect it to break down. So I'm gonna show you guys that. This is what it looks like now, and then I'll show you the end results and we'll go from there. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I have my drill. I have my drill for the side of the hole, for the sides. This is just a drill bit, and then I have this other drill bit. It's a different type, but I'm gonna go make the holes at the bottom, then I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. All right, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you in the next video. Comment down below if you've seen this YouTube hack before on composting, and if you would like to try this, let me know what you think down below of this particular method of composting. All right, peace. So there you have it, holes at the bottom so that beneficial creatures or beneficial worms and things can get in at the bottom, and the holes on the side so that air can flow through. And then a lock trash lid so that no creatures, other creatures, unwanted creatures can get in. All right, let's see how it works out. I'm gonna fill it up with the compost from around the garden, and we'll see how this works out.